Alright, good morning. I did forget to, Pablo's gonna yell at me, record the outro for last night's episode or yesterday's episode. So, my apologies.
Joseph!
We're heading to the Toytec Customer Appreciation Day to go set up the booth, and then after that, then it's to the real fun stuff. Toytec will be fun. I just want to go to see the mountains. I want to be in the mountains. End of last night's episode.
Dude, that soap made my brakes super slick.
Last night's episode.
Oh yeah, oops. Burn it off. I almost put a dent in Michael's sweet bumper. And his tailgate.
Last night's episode ended abruptly as we got to the house, but then once we got in, I didn't want to offend them. But so episode 2 of the trip, or day 2, I don't know how Pablo wants to work this. On the way to Toytec, we just stopped at Starbucks because of GX life.
Cool.
So yeah, we'll be getting good footage at the Toytec event, show you people what Toytec is like, and go from there. Oh yeah, now we're partying.
Yeehaw! Yee-yee!
Texas is here.
My year is here and I get to do that.
Got some breakfast there, J-Lo?
Breakfast Kit Kat. Mm-hmm. They're only like a stick and a half. It was also my dinner Kit Kat.
Here we are at Toytec. We got to set up the booth. We are going to show everybody how large and in charge the Sequoias are. So the big thing we want to show everybody is the regears, the lockers, tandem bumpers, and the sliders. We also have the Life Force lights. Life Force is our favorite. And the Fury tires.
Yeah.
I'm running the MT2s. Joe's running the RTs.
Oh, my knife in my pocket. After I bought my 470 GX470.
Yeah.
Dude. I was like, man, I should have bought a Sequoia instead, but
Oh.
I like my 470.
Yeah.
470s are really good trucks.
I love it, but after I saw the inside, you know,
Yeah.
space-wise, it's crazy.
I don't recognize Michael.
Right?
No, yeah, it looks.
Michael's cleaned up. He has a hat on.
Pablo has a question for you.
Yeah, these things. Hey.
He knows where it's at. Yeah, Pablo's working on a vehicle and he needs the brake bleeder jug.
I think it's on the floor by the lift between you and I.
And ARB made it out as always.
Boom!
What's going on, man?
Not much, how are you?
Doing good.
Yeah.
I've been entrusted with a camera for some reason.
Yeah, God help you.
Yeah.
The Toytec Customer Appreciation event was a lot of fun for the guys. They got to meet a lot of other vendors, and Alex got to give his spiel about this second-gen Sequoia select-a-lock lockers and regears that we had commissioned by Auburn. We'll have more on that later, and links in the description below.
Yes, sir.
The minis have this little guy?
Yes.
They have a mini here,
Oh,
and that's the one you want.
yeah.
But I thought it didn't have this.
It's not as big.
No, it's just shorter. It's about 2 feet shorter.
Yeah.
So he said that they went camping and it froze, and these little guys full of water, and he broke the ladder.
Oh, snap.
And then iCamper sent him a new ladder.
Oh, that's legit.
It was like 15 degrees out though.
That's crazy because we did some like sub-zero camping. We got caught in the cold. It was real cold. It was like, it was -7. That's the coldest it got.
Yeah.
And we didn't have that problem.
They've been great. You know, like
All right, guys. Toytec event is done. It was hot. It was a good event. Got to see some friends that haven't seen in a couple years from Toytec. Now the fun game of trying to follow J-Lo in a caravan. Like his Sequoia, he drives really fast. But now we're heading up towards the mountains. We get to actually see the mountains. Apparently, normally...
Yeah, I guess when we were heading up here, the traffic was a lot lighter than it is today, so it's kind of hard to keep the group together.
Normally you can see the mountains really well, but with all the fires in California...
What the hell would you do then? You know, it can't even go 75 miles an hour, really.
With all the fires in California, it's making it harder to see the mountains in Colorado.
Too bad because he's got a turbo on it, so the turbo might actually help with the altitude.
But we're heading there. We'll get there. I'm tired.
The whole thing about electric cars is they're completely
We'll get there. I'm burned out from the sun, the heat. It wore me out, so my energy level seems low. I'm sorry. It'll come back once we actually can see the mountains and all that cool stuff. So hopefully we'll get some nice, beautiful B-roll of mountains, and hopefully I don't get lost trying to keep up with J-Lo. Dude, these views are amazing. Quick update, we're in the mountains. Altitude update, 8,600 feet. But damn, this view is worth it. View is definitely worth it. Wish you were here, Pablo. You would love this, man. Well, Michael, what do you think? What do you think?
Oh, it's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, honestly, like, I don't trust my vehicle this loaded down around those curves.
No, you're fine.
So that's why I, like, take them that slow. But, like, dude, it's been, like, look at this shit.
Yeah.
I'm living in my low notice.
Right? Yeah.
And the air really does smell like it's freaking cooking herbs.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Well, I would get some more talking and I would go talk to J-Lo and Alex, but we're being told we have to go. So, back on the road we go. Yeah, so I was trying to say before Alex forces us to get back on the road, is this is awesome, guys. I'm trying to make sure we don't lose Michael. Hopefully the trail doesn't split, and when I get lost completely, because can't see Alex or J-Lo anymore, and at this point I'm okay with that, because I don't want to leave Michael behind. So we made it to camp, found J-Lo.
What's up? Yes.
GX is set up
Yeah.
ish. Oh,
What do you want?
that's a good chip. Alex is set up over here with the Taj Mahal.
Woo woo.
You can spread like starfish style. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. Yeah, GX is set up. For the most part, I'm gonna do some rearranging. Got mosquito net set up for those dudes, so I can have the windows down and still get airflow. A little fan. Michael and Renee are gonna be camping over here. They're getting their tent finished, set up. Woo! Talking a lot, I can feel the altitude.
Yeah.
We're losing light quick, so I'm trying to get some footage in so Pablo's not mad at me. But this is a heck of a place to camp. Omar's gonna be sleeping in the Sequoia.
Yep.
And then J-Lo and his family
Heyo.
gonna be up top there.
Come say hi to Jet.
Uh-oh. When Carla says do something, I've learned you do it. Hello, Jet.
Say hi.
Hello. This is gonna be a nice setup.
Oh yeah.
Ah, hello.
Okay, good night.
All right. So, I think we're supposed to get a fire going if the rain holds out. All right. Fun update. I'm now in the GX. We just went through a hailstorm. We heard thunder and lightning coming. Oh, sorry, it's hard to position myself in here. We had thunder and lightning, and we heard rain off in the distance, so we weren't too worried because it was off in the distance. You can put oh god. And then kept getting louder and louder, so we were like, yeah, it might rain, but that's about it. It might be the worst of it. Turns out we got a ton of hail. Like, it's just a white canvas out there. It's too dark to see now, but so cooking didn't happen, and I think everyone's fending for themselves food-wise in their tent or vehicle. So if it stops raining, I'm probably going to cook something real quick and then eat and go to bed, because we're going to leave early. I think we got 4 to 6 hour drive tomorrow. So sorry for the terrible lighting, and Colorado, you surprised us. So alright guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna call it quits and see y'all tomorrow morning.